Brad Williams, Excel primed. We're going to throw a little VSTACK in here. Extend this thing a little bit. What are we doing? We're going to expand this 9-row by 3-column list up to a 12-row by 3-column list. What's the VSTACK? It'll let you combine cell ranges or arrays. It joins data to the first blank cell at the bottom of a cell range or array. What does that mean? It means if we go VSTACK C15 D17, VSTACK C15 right down here, D17 here, C5 D13. I go C5, which is our current list, to our D13. It is going to add 3 rows. Kind of quirky, but it works. Expand the 9-row by 3-column list up to 12-row by 3-column list. Use the VSTACK function to add a specific number of empty rows above the first row of your original list in order to expand the list vertically. In our example, an empty list is placed first, followed by 2 lists with the same number of columns. VSTACK C15 D17, the empties. VSTACK C15 D13. The final list, 3 rows with 0 values. In this case, like they're padded. We've got a little mix up here. The outcome will be a very simple set of dashes, hyphens, whatever you want to call it. And in the end, we're going to get 3 empty rows. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.